chaos theory. When we set up energy models, we are setting up boundary conditions that we are solving a problem within. Small, slight changes in those boundary conditions will have huge impacts on the whole model. So if I say my set points are 68 and 77, but my real set points are 70 and 72, guess what? I changed my boundary conditions, the whole model's wrong. Right? If I say I'm going to have 30 students in this classroom, and then I have 2, my conditions are wrong. So the boundary conditions, the problems that we're solving for, rely on accurate setting of boundary conditions and accurate understanding of what you're really predicting. What's built into these softwares, both Fias's software and the PHPP, are standard assumptions for standard idealized occupants. It's not what really goes on in buildings. When somebody asks me to do a net positive building, do you think I rely on what is built into those? No, I actually take off and I figure out how much energy that building's really going to use, what those occupants' use patterns are, what equipment's going in there, so I can properly size it. Brandon, you're building a building that's going to have renters. It's fully pull it out of your butt and try to guess, because guess what? You got no idea what they're going to do. Now, Thorsten Schlupp, the guy from Fairbanks, has the perfect solution to this. It is brilliant. So people have been into Priuses. You've seen the little Prius dashboard. Every apartment gets a Prius dashboard, and you get a certain allotment of kilowatt hours per week. When your kilowatt hours are done, and you can see the little thing going from green to yellow to red, your power goes off till the next week. How many weeks will it take for you to be able to make it so that you're getting within your allowance? I say 2 to 3 weeks. Within 2 to 3 weeks, and so I think with a small investment in these little smart screens, we could cut the energy use in residential construction, and we just put this in everybody's house and say, okay, you get this many kilowatt hours per week. You got a family of 4, this is how much you get. It'd take me about 2 weeks, and we would all be like, oh yeah, that's not a big problem. I'll just stretch it out. Oh, maybe I won't leave the lights on. Maybe I won't leave the TV on. Maybe I'll turn my phantom loads off. But something so simple and so logical could never be implemented in place as crazy as this country.